Welcome back to All In for the Love of Science. Let's look at Newton's laws. First, we're going to start with this trash can. Everything that has mass has inertia. Everything has inertia. Now, some things have more inertia than others, and it depends on the mass of the object. So, we're going to look at this trash can. I am in the car, and I am going to attempt to hit this trash can, but I don't want it to fall, and I don't want the bricks to move. So let's see if I'm going to do that. What would have to happen in order for me to hit this trash can, but the bricks not fall, and the trash can doesn't move? At least it doesn't move out of its place. Maybe it'll rock a little, but it won't move too much. I'm driving a big car, and little kids pull the trash can. Even some of you have parents who have a tennis ball or a trash can in the garage so that one of your other parents doesn't drive through the house with their big car, but pulls forward enough to where the door doesn't hit it. So we are inching forward towards this trash can, and the goal is to not make it move out of its place and for the bricks not to fall. So I'm going slow because I don't, ooh, okay, it tilted a little, but it didn't fall. So therefore, I would not be destroying the house today, right? I would not be running through. The bricks did not fall. So that is Newton's first law of motion, the law of inertia. An object always resists change in motion. That has two parts. The first part is that an object at rest will stay at rest unless it's acted upon by a force. And so the force was my car. Then an object in motion will remain in motion unless acted upon by a force. We're not going to look at that part just yet. So Newton's second law of motion. Newton's second law of motion, force equals mass times acceleration. Now, I want the bricks to fall this time. And if I want the bricks to fall this time, I'm using the same car, so it has the same mass. I'm using the same trash can, it has the same mass. And I put bricks on top of it so that therefore you could kind of see what was going on. So if I want the bricks to fall off, what do you think I need to do? You're absolutely right. I need to go faster. So I'm going to back up just a little bit in my car. It's telling me to check my surroundings for safety. And then I'm going to move forward. The goal is to make the bricks fall, make the bricks fall, make the bricks fall. Oh, brake check. Make the bricks fall, and the bricks